Welcome to Practice Easy English. 50 plus common verbs vocabulary in English for daily use. Wake up. I wake up every morning at 7 a.m. Stretch. I stretch my arms and legs. Head to. Then I head to the bathroom. Take a shower. I take a 5 to 10 minute shower. Prepare. After that, I prepare my breakfast. Eat. For breakfast, I eat cereal and toast. Read. After breakfast, I read the newspaper. Drive. I drive to work in my blue car. Work. At the office, I work on my computer. Write. I write emails to clients. Talk. I talk to my colleagues during lunch. Listen. In the afternoon, I listen to music. Cook. In the evening, I cook dinner for my family. Watch. We watch a movie together after dinner. Clean. I clean the living room. Exercise. Then I exercise for 30 minutes. Relax. After a shower, I relax on the couch. Study. I study for my upcoming exam. Text. I text my friend about our plans. Sleep. Finally, I go to bed and sleep. Dream. I often dream about traveling. Plan. I plan my next vacation. Pack. I pack my bag for vacation. Travel. The next day, I travel to a new destination. Arrive. I arrive at the airport early in the morning. Explore. I explore the city's landmarks. Take. I take photos of beautiful scenery. Meet. I meet a friendly local guide. Learn. I learn about the city's history. Enjoy. I enjoy local cuisine for lunch. Take a nap. Then I take a little nap. Visit. After that, I visit museums and art galleries. Buy. I buy souvenirs for my family. Walk. I walk through charming streets. Discover. I discover a hidden garden. Hike. I hike up a nearby hill. Capture. I capture the sunset on camera. Return. I return to my hotel at night. Rest. I rest in a comfy bed. Sip on. After a short rest, I sip on hot coffee. Think about. Then I think about the next day's adventures. Chat. I chat with fellow travelers. Enjoy. We enjoy a group tour. Taste. I taste exotic fruits. Relax. I relax on the beach. Swim. I swim in the crystal clear water. Sail. I sail on a boat trip. Experience. I experience the local culture. Share. I share stories with new friends. Laugh. We laugh around a bonfire. Cycle. I cycle around the island. Capture. I capture the island's beauty. Bid farewell. I bid farewell to new friends. Fly. I fly back home with cherished memories.